Hello everybody. Thought I'd do another little short video. Might take a little nature walk here. Hope everybody's doing good on this Sunday. Been a little cool today, but not as cold as it was yesterday. That wind yesterday was nippy. But, show you Blackjack and all here. Our dirt road. Blackjack. What are you chewing on up there, boy? You got you a bone. You find you a bone there, buddy. We're going to walk down through the woods here. Hello, John. Hope you're doing all right, brother. Marcus Myers. Gonna have to get back up here, Marcus, and pitch me in some horseshoes again. Everybody, if y'all don't know Marcus Myers, that's the boy I can't beat. Maybe once out of every 10 games. Boy's tough. Throwing horseshoes. Marcus, Miami tried to win today. He's a big Miami fan. That was a good game. They gave all they had against a team I figured might win the Super Bowl. Buffalo's going to be hard to beat. I might walk down this way. I don't know if there's a little branch down here or not. Just get out of the house a minute before I go back up here and watch Minnesota and the Giants play. My game's tomorrow night. Dallas and Tampa Bay. It'd be hard for them to take down Brady, but they should. I think they got a better team. They'll just play. Where'd my dogs go? Blackjack! Dirt road, come on. Go, go. Y'all going with me? Can you hear me, Marcus? I hope y'all can hear me. Thumbs up if you can hear me. I done a video the other day and somebody said they couldn't hear me. Volume's turned all the way up on my phone, so maybe y'all can hear me. Right down here a little branch. I think there's a creek down here at the bottom of the hill. I'm not sure. I ain't never walked down here at the bottom of the hill. We're going to go down here and find out, too. Y'all hang on. There's your buddies, Marcus. Dirt Road and Blackjack. Give me a thumbs up if y'all can hear me. Just say thumbs up. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I don't want to do a video and you can't hear me. Give me a thumbs up, y'all. Send out some hearts or something. Let me know you can hear me. Now here's a little branch. Well, I'm thinking there's probably a creek down here at the bottom. I like taking walks through the woods. I've always liked the woods. Signal. Maybe I reconnected. Can y'all hear me? Video might not even be going now. It's showing on my side it's trying to reconnect. They're roading blackjacks up yonder. Y'all see them up yonder, they're blackjack. Dirt road, he's hard to spot out. He's sort of camouflaged. He got that brown color, like these leaves. See right here what we got. Look, right here's Carolina Panther cut. Carolina Panthers, y'all. Oh, hell, that got down here, or where it came from. Oh, I'll take that up here at the house. Pick it up on my way back. One of them dogs probably drug it off down here. Got dog teeth marks on it there. I'll pick that up on the way back. See what we can find down through here. There's a big drop off right here. It's rocky through here, I know that. This is a rocky place. They should have made a rock quarry down in here. There's a lot of rocks around here. Seems like every time I mow Mom's yard, there's a rock in the way. I have to get it up out of the way. I believe her yard grows with rocks. Something white laying down there. I better be careful there about busting my butt. I hope everybody can hear me. If you can hear me, say what's up or how's it going. So I may reconnecting. Maybe I got you in back again. Losing connection. What's up there, John Sanders? Taking a little nature walk here through the woods. Trying to tell Mark there's some big deer down in here. I've seen a few down in here. I ain't deer hunted since 2000. I ain't hunted none since I moved to Iredell County. That was back in 2001. Been back to Wilkes here since 2019. Nice walk here. That little branch comes off them rocks there down. Hope everybody's having a good day today. Look like it used to be an old road or something through here. Deer trail through here, y'all. First time I've ever been down here this far. There's a deer trail through here. Let's see right here. Which they could have been a foxhole there. Raccoon or something. Walk out through here a little way. Just show y'all. Blackjack, dirt road. Go, go. Well, they ran off to. Playing a squirrel's nest up here. See if I can spot it back here. Well, it's right up through yonder. I don't know if y'all see it or not. Not getting good connection down in here, y'all. There's a squirrel's nest up here. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But, walk on back through here. Dogs cut a trail. I don't know where they went. I'm walking on a deer trail. Been scraping right here. Who y'all think's gonna win the Super Bowl? Got 3 more weeks. 3 or 4 more weeks. Super Bowl will be coming on TV. What kind of blackjack? Where you boy dirt road at? All right. Oh, all right. Y'all been trying to drown a squirrel or a rabbit or something? Here comes dirt road up there. All right. Oh, I heard something back here. Dirt road. Yeah, here he comes. Come on, boy. Oh, boy, oh. He's way over there yonder. That's a good squirrel dog right here. Dirt road. I seen him back yonder. I don't know where he went. Oh, boy, oh, oh. Dirt road. Here he comes. Here come Dirt Road. Rusty Bucket's favorite dog, he said. Anyways, Dirt Road right here is the son of Blackjack. Blackjack's the daddy, that's his son. Both of them Jack Russell. Well, Blackjack, the daddy, is a full-blooded Jack Russell. Dirt Road's got some mix in him. Blackjack got up on the neighbor's. It looked to me like a big poodle dog. Right here's a landline for somebody. Bodine surveyed all this. He said he did anyway. He's a big time surveyor, Bodine. My son helps him out. Brandon. We're gonna walk on out through here and see what we can see. A lot of dead trees down in here. Big old log laying there. That's the top out of that and standing right there. Down in here, step on a bear trap, I'd know it, wouldn't I? Better watch your feet where you put them. You never know what you might run up on in the woods. I've heard a cow pasture. Them vines going up that tree. That vine's big around my leg. I get it, they heard, hey. Big old tree, what is that, oak tree? I think it is. Trying to smoke and hold this cigarette, or this phone too. Cigarette. Look at this old tree out here. Mount rocked out. Get there to it. Dirt road, or Blackjack up there walking across it there. He said, I'm the king up here on this tree. These boots right here slick, man. Got my old boots on, they're about wore out. There's a creek down yonder, son. See it right yonder. Heard they probably, well, there's a river. Probably about a mile that way. Reddy's River. I ain't walking that far. I just thought I'd do a little nature walk here. Get a video in for today. Get in a little exercise while I'm doing it. I was going to tell everybody too, remember, Giga Hansen, she has a YouTube channel. She has some very interesting videos. I like watching her YouTube channel. And everybody, if you ain't subscribed to my channel's Wilkes County Boy. If you would, go subscribe, like, share it. I'm going to try to do more videos. Gives me something to do anyways. I get lonely sitting there at the house, you know, by myself. All-Star race is coming up here in third week in May. I'll probably film a little bit of it. Be the first time them NASCAR drivers been on that track in years. Actually, I don't even think there's any NASCAR drivers that drives anymore that last raced on that track. I think it shut down in 93. So it's been 10 years ago, but one of the biggest events in NASCAR's coming back. Maybe they get more going. Maybe they could get a race or two back. Sure, Wilkes County's where NASCAR started. These old moonshiners around here used to haul liquor, and they was wanting to see who had the fastest car. Made that track up there. Junior Johnson, big time moonshiner back in his days. That's how he got his money to get into NASCAR. Try to ease my way on back up the hill here. See what we're running into going up through here. Briar thicket up here, it looks like. I won't get back the same way I come. We're walking through all them briars. All right. See what I'm doing. Jake Reynolds, you hunt anymore. You quit too. Look at all them briars through there. I don't know if I want to try to whittle my way through them or not. I'll have to cross over them somewhere or another, ain't I? I don't know if to go. I'd rather go uphill instead of back down. See if we can go up this way. Get out here and get shot at being on somebody's property. Some of these people around here don't like you being on their property. Especially if they don't know you. I'm going up through here, right? If I get shot, y'all see it happen, I guess. I'll find me a way through this briar thicket here. Pretty steep hill right there. Get through this little briar thicket here, it'll be alright. Alright, closed off right through there. That'd be a mess to go through down through yonder. Go on left a little better. That further up I go, the worse it gets. Now what? I believe I'll just turn around and get back. I ain't going through that mess, I know that. I make my video longer anyway. That's a big tree right there too. Make that back pick up my panther cup anyway. Dirt road, if you was bigger, I'd just jump on your back until you ride me out of here. You know what? They still sticking there with me. Let's go down through here. Get back the way I can. That way I won't get shot and get my big briar ticket. Trying to think of something I can talk about. I'm on my way here. Back towards the house. I don't know whose property this is. My mama stopped up there down the top of the hill. Summer's up that way, hers stopped. Don't come all the way down through here. Trying to hold this camera as still as I can. It's rocky and rough through here places. Could go up here and bump me home. I'm gonna go back and get this panther cut. Man, Rock says they are down in here. Boy, man, build him a rock house, no problem. Rocks everywhere. Should bring me a mattock down here sometime. They'll dig out me a big old gully up there in one of these banks here. Come back and lay it with rock. Make a hideout. Huh. Never know what's going to happen in this world. There's that squirrel's nest I seen earlier. Slip sliding away. Slip sliding away. Right here's that old road bed I was on earlier. Used to look like it through this old road bed. Well, gotta climb this hill now. I'm gonna take this video I'm making here straight over there on my YouTube channel. Can't go live yet. Need more hours, some more subscribers. So everyone, my YouTube channel is Wilkes County Boy. Just type in Wilkes County Boy, it'll take you over there to me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Need more followers where I get more views. Them liking and sharing will fix it before I can go live on YouTube. Old lawnmower tire. That's Panther cup over here. Gonna take it back up the hill with me. It's amazing out in the woods, man, the creation that God can make. Makes hills, rocks, valleys. That big old rock right there. Be nice to have up there in the yard. I ain't got no way of getting it up there though. If I was Hercules, I could carry it up there, but I'm not no Hercules. Carolina Panthers maybe next year. It didn't happen this year. I'm a big time Cowboy fan. Carolina, as long as they don't play my Cowboys. If they play my Cowboys, no. I'll be a Cowboy fan till the day I die. I don't care if Carolina is my hometown. Ain't that right, Marcus Myers? He's Miami, has been, always lie. Jake Reynolds, there's Washington, fan all his life. About made it back to the top of the hill here. Little nature walk for us today. Know the video's cutting out, losing connection there a couple of times, but nothing I knew about it. Them hills rough on a 54-year-old man. One of Mom's buildings there. Huffing and a puff. Good exercise. Keep you in shape. Mom's windmill. Fire bush there, or a rose bush around it. One of our flowers there died out. These right here called mold plants. If you got any moles, plant them in your yard, they'll take care of the moles. They bear seeds, see them seeds right there. Maybe collect some of them and send them out to people. If you got moles, them plants right there, take care of them. They reproduce too every year. Talking about reproducing, they multiply, in other words. I'm glad to be back up here. That was a walk. Thank y'all for coming along. The ones that stayed with me. The ones that didn't, they can catch it later. But it's just nice to get out of the house and walk around a little bit, you know, through the woods, get you exercise. And it's untelling what you might run into in the woods. Hear me hit my breath. You know what causes that? Probably that right there. Guess what? I'm fixing to light me up one now. I like my cigarettes. Anybody want a Marlboro? They're cheaper than Pall-Malls. I never thought I'd ever see the day that Marlboros was cheaper than Pall-Malls. So I went to Pall-Malls, smoked them for many a years, because Marlboros was higher. Well, now Marlboros is cheaper than Pall-Malls. Marlboro's top name brand. Right here's the old bird house Mom's got. Probably her ex-husband that's deceased made it. She's got nailed that tree there. Somebody paid up her for. Look at that sun over there. Sitting. That's pretty right there. Heard you a postcard picture. Huh. Yeah, I'm wanting to do a lot more videos. And just gotta have that urge to do it. Right over here, for the ones I ain't never seen, is, well, y'all haven't seen these right here. I'll show you this. Hang on a second. Angel. I don't think y'all seen that before. But, brother, he backed into it. Knocked the wing off of it and had to glue it back on. About to fall back off again. It's got rebar up into it. They'd be glued back again. He backed into it, didn't mean to. Broke her wing, but the Angel's still standing. Needs to be painted again. I need to paint that and Jesus up here. If y'all ain't seen the statue of Jesus, I'll show him to you. He needs painting too. Got a chicken here, it's turned over. Picture of Jesus. Needs to be painted again. I'm 5'9". I would say this statue here of Jesus, I might have 3-4 inches on him. But it's me and Jesus. Mom get $500 for that statue. So here's a rooster that Brandon gave Mom. My son's making that YouTube channel. He gave her this rooster here. Put it down there, y'all see it. It's made out of tin. She's a rooster now. She loves roosters. Anything about a rooster, she loves. Swimming pool here. Hey, it came back on. Well, I was going to tell everybody, have a good day, rest of the night. We'll check-ins in the next video. Don't forget to go to Willie's YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. God bless each and every one of you. And y'all have a wonderful night. Till the next video. See you later.